Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Amreli. So it is from Gujarat. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for assistant manager for rural consumer durable. So it is from Bajaj Finserv. So let us discuss about the job duties and key responsibilities mentioned here. You need to support field through troubleshooting on system and ensuring governance adherence and meeting the TAT and monthly hold clearance, process analysis and sharing of best practices with team, and you need to coordinate with sales and ensuring mechanism in place for processing of files within desired TAT and ensuring timely communications to stakeholders on any change in process, and liaising with the functional team, that is operations, risk banking, to cover process gap. So these are the key responsibilities. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job role, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for senior report programmer. So it is from docs. So the job type will be full-time and associate. So let us discuss about the responsibilities mentioned here. So you need to support special projects of limited scope, sub-team lead, local project, etc., both clinical and non-clinical in nature, and provide study level expertise and involvement in CTTs, and provide and track reports for various line functions within global drug development used for ongoing monitoring of clinical data, and provide understandable and actionable reports on clinical data and monitoring of clinical data for key stakeholders. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities. And coming to education details, university or college degree in life sciences, mathematics, computer science, medical informatics or equivalent degrees required. Next, coming to skills, experience and requirements, the candidates should be having at least 4 years of experience in clinical review and reporting programming, business analytics and clinical trial setup gained in the pharmaceutical industry, CRO or life science industry, as well as the following. The candidate should be having the strong knowledge of programming languages such as SQL, PL or SQL, CH, VB script, SAS, Python, R, and also knowledge of data review under business intelligence tools such as Spotfire, JReview, and also knowledge of clinical data management systems under relational databases, example OC or RDC, Inform, Rave as applied to clinical trials, and attention to detail, quality, time management, and customer focus. So these are the experience and skills details. So you can check here with the list of the skills mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for this job role, the link is available in the description to apply for this position. So you can check in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for sales and marketing expert manager. So it is from LHPS. So the experience required will be 3 to 4 years. And coming to responsibilities, you should be having the experience in FMCG industry, and you need to plan, design, develop and implement various sales activities by researching customer needs and requirements, and to ensure that existing customers are retained and maintained while developing new customers, to ensure that all sales and marketing activities are carried out within the agreed budget, volume, sales and time scale, and to take initiatives and efforts to develop constructive and effective solutions to any issues that slow down or hinder export processes and activities, and continuously review the performance of distributors or customers and monitor their work to provide relevant information to management. So you can check here with the rest of the responsibilities mentioned here. Next one, coming to competencies, take a look at the details and understanding finance and budget and understanding technology and process, networking skills, analytical skills, account capacity and adaptability, ability to receive feedback and ability to work effectively in stressful situations. Next one, there is a job opening for section head, land and legal. So it is from Ultratech Cement. Qualification would be MSW, LLB or LLM, and 5 to 7 years of experience is required. And coming to duties and responsibilities, negotiation with the landowner for compensation, measuring, marking, surveying and also ensuring non-agriculture clearance of land to be acquired, and registration and changes of names of the acquired land, and obtaining possession of purchased land, and acquiring virgin land from local villagers for mines, and to face villagers problems, job problems, work order problems and government work problems. So these are the duties and responsibilities for this section head position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, the link is available in the description to apply, so you can have a look in the description once. Next one, there is a job opening for sales officer position. It is from Sheetal Cool Products Limited. And coming to responsibilities, get the sale using various customer sales methods, forecast sales, develop cut out of the box sales strategies, models and evaluate their effectiveness, and evaluate customers' skills, needs and build productive long lasting relationships, and attend a meeting, sales events and training to keep abreast of the latest developments, report and provide feedback to management using financial statistical data, and the candidate should be competitive and trustworthy to build up their business activities. Next, the job timings will be 8 am to 8 pm and the salary will be 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So you are going to get some benefits, that is cell phone reimbursement and fixed shift will be there, and you should be having 1 year of field sales experience, it will be preferred, and also customer relationship management, and also so you can check here with the experience details. So you should be having the knowledge in English, so it will be preferred. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for company secretary. It is from Sheetal Cool Products Limited. So you can check here with the responsibilities mentioned here. Next, it will be a full-time job as a contract basis, and you are going to get a salary will be 5,50,000 rupees per annum, and also cell phone reimbursement. So, and you are going to get performance bonus. 3 years of experience is preferred for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for account officer. So it is also from Sheetal Cool Products Limited. So coming to responsibilities, you need to maintain financial records, handling accounts payable and receivable, checking invoices, resolving accounts to the general ledger, and contacting clients about transactions and invoices, handling queries related to accounts. Next, you should be having 1 year of experience in Tally software, and the salary will be 12,000 to 18,000 rupees per month. So fixed shift will be there, and will be full time. So bachelor's degree is preferred, and you should be having the experience, like 1 year of experience in accounting. It will be preferred. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer. It is from Kalaguru. So you should be having the software knowledge, that is Corel Draw, Illustrator and Photoshop, and minimum 6 months of experience is required, and it will be a full-time job. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.